Plastics are everywhere, in our oceans, our food, and even our bodies. But could these everyday materials be contributing to cancer? Let's dive into the science. Plastics start as fossil fuels, transformed into bottles, packaging, and textiles. But their convenience comes at a cost. During production, recycling, and disposal, plastics release toxic chemicals like BPA, phthalates, and PFAS, substances linked to cancer in workers and communities near factories. Tiny plastic particles, microplastics and nanoplastics, now contaminate our food, water, and air. Once inside the body, they travel through the bloodstream, accumulating in organs like the lungs, colon, and even the placenta. Studies show these particles trigger inflammation, damage DNA, and disrupt cell function, all pathways to cancer. DNA damage. Microplastics generate toxic free radicals, causing mutations that can lead to tumors. Chronic inflammation. Persistent inflammation creates a breeding ground for cancer cells. Chronic inflammation. Persistent inflammation creates a breeding ground for cancer cells. Hormone disruption. Chemicals like BPA mimic estrogen, raising risks for breast and prostate cancers. Recent studies reveal alarming links. Microplastics in artery plaques quadruple heart attack risk. Plastic factory workers face higher rates of leukemia and lung cancer. Over 900 chemicals in food packaging are suspected carcinogens, including those tied to breast cancer. Infants and children are most at risk. Microplastics in baby bottles, toys, and breast milk expose developing bodies to toxins that can cause lifelong harm, from developmental disorders to later life cancers. There's hope. A proposed UN Global Plastics Treaty aims to cap production and ban single-use plastics. Scientists are creating safer alternatives like biodegradable labware. And each of us can act. Avoid microwaving plastic, choose glass containers, and support policies cutting plastic waste. The link between plastics and cancer is still unfolding, but the evidence demands action. By rethinking plastic use, we protect not just our health, but our planet's future.